mama mo, mama ng lahat. At nandito po kami ang ma-perform ang audio song na gamit ang e-verse at e-verse.
Tulad ng mata, endures ng nakita. Tulad ng punta, iba na ang biya. Kung inaantok pa, magkape ka na yan. Kung ganun pa rin, huwag na lang aminin. Di mo to masusok, kahit pa iyong pilitin. Masisira lang ang iyong good na morning. First step we replace with one. What is God? The answer. Oh yeah. Is God. Prophet. This is it now. Learn the inverse. 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 Learn the inverse.
Wala na kayo.
Walang wala, lahat ay simplify. First step we replace this one. We good.
What is that?
The answer, okay.
That is that.
Swap of X, we go.
This is the one.
That is the inverse. Learn the inverse.
Let's learn the inverse now.
Ginawa ng kalokohan.
Learn the inverse now.
Oh, mga kalokoys, baka akala nyo hanggang doon na lang tatapos ang pagsusod niyan. Papalitan mo pa ng f of x and y bago matapos lahat ng yan!